All right, everyone. Today we're unboxing a pair of work shoes that caught my eye. New Balance Fresh Foam Cremorne Composite Toe Industrial Shoes. If you spend long hours on your feet like I do, this might be worth checking out. First impression, nice clean look. They don't scream work boot, more like sporty work shoes. The upper is this lightweight synthetic mesh construction, so right away you realize these feel more like a hybrid between a sneaker and a safety shoe. Let's talk protection. Inside the toe area is a composite safety toe, not steel, so you get impact protection without the heavy weight. That makes a big difference if you're on your feet 8, 10, 12 hours a day. Also, they include an anti-perforation midsole. An outsole is slip and heat resistant with good tread grip. There's even electrical hazard resistance, which adds safety in environments with risk of shock. Now, comfort. This is where these really shine compared with traditional heavy work boots. They use New Balance's fresh foam midsole technology, plus a cushioned comfort insert and moisture-wicking mesh lining. That means cushioning underfoot, breathability, and generally a lighter feel. For someone standing or walking all shift, that matters a lot. As for downsides, the composite toe cap does feel a bit different than a sneaker toe. A few reviewers said the toe sticks out a little, which may feel odd at first if you're used to running shoes. Also, and this is important, while many praise the comfort, there have been reports, especially under heavy, abrasive, or very rugged daily use, of the sole or glue bond starting to show wear or separating. So in extremely rough or outdoor conditions, you might want something more heavy. But for indoor work or lighter-duty industrial jobs, these are probably fine. Overall, I like what New Balance tried to do. Blend athletic-style comfort with real safety protection. For someone like me who's on their feet 8 to 12 hours, needing good toe protection, slip, heat, ESD resistance, but still doesn't want the bulk and fatigue of heavy boots, these look like a good middle ground. If I were you, I'd pick them up, especially if my work involves a lot of walking or standing, warehousing, maintenance, facility, even light manufacturing. The comfort and build make them a strong candidate for all-day wear safety shoes. That said, if your job is very heavy-duty, rugged, or very abrasive, maybe consider a more traditional boot. But for many of us, these could be a winner. All right, that's the unboxing and first look. I'll wear them on shifts over the next few weeks and post a follow-up. Breakdown of comfort over time, durability, real-world pros/cons. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.